Today's featured car of the day is a 1964 Mercury Comet Caliente. And this particular car I filmed at my local classic car auction in Palm Springs, California. Actually, it was on the street outside the auction where a lot of sellers, flippers, put their cars to get all the eyeballs when you're coming out from the auction. And this one had a good stance to it. It was a good looking car, being black with the two-tone red and black interior. And it had the 289 engine in it, so it must have been a mid-year one because they had the 260 originally in 64. Then the 289 came out mid-year. And these cars were pretty different because they only had the 1 year for this particular model. They had the side-by-side front headlights in the grille, which kind of looked like a mini Lincoln Continental, the styling. In 65, they went to the stacked headlights. And these second generation Comets only went from 64 to 65, but both cars had different headlights and taillights and looked totally different. And they both were used by Ford for the Superstock and AFX racing. Actually, the Mercurys were used in AFX class, factory experimental, and they ran on a 10-inch tire instead of the Superstocks ran on a 7-inch tire. And they were pretty, they only made 50 of them, so those, you're not going to see too many of those yet anymore. But although I guess Wild Bill Shrewsbury still has his. But, they had the good drivers, Ronnie Sox, Dino Don Nicholson, Wild Bill Shrewsbury, Jack Chrisman, a lot of the top drivers of the time back in the day. And they only made 31,204 of the Comet Calientes in 1964. So it wasn't a rare car by any means, but probably weren't too many of them in black, that's for sure. This one had a real good look to it. And but anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1964 Mercury Comet Caliente. If you made it to the end, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.